We know you've been waiting. Well, wait no more. On Sunday, March 24th, all roads lead to UVI for Afternoon on the Green 2019 on UVI's Herman E. Moore Golf Course from noon to 5 p.m. This year's family friend fundraiser promises to bring you more mouth-watering treats and delicious delicacies. It's set to be a perfect family scene with lots of children entertainment and games. Prizes will be on deck. You will be entertained all day by Rum Syndicate Band, UVI Jazz Ensemble, DJ Avalanche, and the electrifying sounds of Cool Session Brass. Welcome back to the Green, rebuilding our dreams for 2019. Afternoon on the Green is sponsored by AT&T, First Bank, Whopper, Alpine, Paradise Chiropractic, VI Council for the Arts, and the VI Department of Tourism. And will be hosted by yours truly, Culture Band. To donate a dish for a chance to win fabulous prizes, just call 340-693-1040.